Hello and welcome to this first preview video of Moodle 2. In this video we're going to have a look and see what Moodle 2 looks like, how to dock the blocks, so the blocks that are on the side of the course can be docked and put away so that all the student or the teacher can see is the course itself. That's new. How to hide topics, and there's one new course format, so we'll just have a look at the course formats as well. I'm going to now take you over to Moodle 2. Okay, so here's a mock-up of the home page. You'll notice that this is changing through the videos that I make because it's being worked on at the moment, and there's lots of things coming and going. But this is how it looks. It's not too unfamiliar. You'll notice that Bellaby's College is clearly visible here, and it will have the ISC as well if you're using your courses in the ISCs, and Embassy has its own server with a different look and feel. So it's going to be much more branded. So you log in just like before. I just wanted you to see what it looks like. You use your username and password as before. And I'm just going to navigate to a course that I'm using to make these videos, an experimental course. And there it is. So you'll see, the first thing you'll notice is that all the blocks are on the right. This was requested in the brainstorming sessions that we had with the APs and so on before the site was designed. It looks a bit messy if there's lots in them, but there's lots you can do to make it look much more streamlined. First of all, you can hide the content, minimize the content by clicking on the arrows. So that looks much neater straight away. Another thing you can do is click on the blue square, and you'll notice that that navigation block has now gone over to the left. I've docked it. If I hover my mouse over it, I can see all the contents. So I think this is going to be very popular. I'm just going to dock all the blocks and you can see what happens to the page. So there we are. You can see that all that's visible now is the course and the topics in the course, and down the side I have all the blocks if I need access to them. So I think that's going to be quite a popular feature. You'll notice that this course is created in topics, and there's some text in topic 1. Like in Moodle 1.9, you can hide topics that you're not working on currently. So all you need to do is click on the little blue box and all the other topics disappear. I'm only showing topic 1 now. If I want to quickly go and look at topic 4, I can just use the drop down menu and click on that. If I want to see all the topics again, just click on the blue square. I know that lots of people don't know about that in 1.9, so I've included it in the video because I think it's quite useful. I did mention that there's a new type of course format, so we're going to have a look at that in this first video. So I'm going to undock the settings block by clicking on the blue box again, and I'm going to have it back on the right of my course, and I'm going to edit the settings of my course. So edit settings. Like before, the main choices are topic, weekly outline, or a new format, which I'm going to show you now. So once you're in edit settings, scroll down. I think you'll notice it looks very similar to what we've had before. And just under the course summary, you'll see a format block with a drop down menu. So as you know, we're in topics format, and I'm going to just show you collapsed topics because for very long courses this is a nice new format. So I've chosen collapsed topics, and as before, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. And now you can see that all the topics are visible, but only the topic heading. And if I click on topic 1, I'll see the summary of the heading. I'm going to turn editing off actually, don't want that on. And if I click on it again, it hides the summary. So this is really useful, especially if you have a long course. You can open all the topics by clicking on open to see the summaries and close them again up here. One thing to remember though is in the heading itself don't add images, just text. In the summary you can add an image if you want to, so that you can see a little image with this text, but this really changes the look and feel of the navigation. So it's a nice option, and I expect a lot of teachers will choose to display their courses like this, and now you'll be able to help them. So that's the end of our first preview video. We've seen what it looks like, we know how to dock the blocks and hide topics, and we've seen the new course format, which is called collapsed topics. Please have a look at preview video number 2 next. Thank you. Bye bye.